Start the vlog. No. Start the vlog.
Nope.
What up, everybody? I'm just kidding. What is up, you guys? I'm starting to get sick. Dana's being over here piojos. I think she's scratching her ear, thinking she's sunny. And Dana, where are we going? Her fat girl senses are tingling, so she's trying to take us out over to some torta restaurant. Really saw a lot of tortas, big tortas. We'll show you guys once we're there. Look at that big ass torta. God damn.
Wow.
Looks so good. Damn, this is mine right here.
Yours so good.
With that weenie right there. Ah, son. Let's see if you're able to finish them. That's a challenge, Dana. That's a challenge. You accept the challenge?
Yeah.
Let's do this! So check this out, you guys. So we just finished eating. I unfortunately didn't finish it. I left half of it because it was way too big. Probably stomach ache would not. The point is that Diana didn't finish hers either. She didn't even eat half of it. She threw, I guess, half of her other half, if that makes sense, of her torta, and she threw like a miro out because she said it had a lot of that gooey stuff, that cuerito and whatnot. So yeah, this is what's left of it. That's her part. Oh, dale, nice. I caught that on camera. That's hers, and this is mine. And so I'm either gonna take it home. Oh yeah, that's my leftovers right there. I'm either gonna take it home, or I'm just probably gonna leave it here for my tia and whatnot. We also finished this right here. It was Kevin's, and so I'm not sure if he's gonna get mad. Kevin, if you're watching this, or right now that you come out of the shower, you're probably gonna be mad, and I'm gonna blame it on Diana because Diana's the one who finished it all. Diana, that's your fault. Diana, right back at you, Diana. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah, you suck. Oh, say what? Okay, so Diana's about to teach me how to burp. How to force my burp to come out. Because I already don't know how to do that. She knows how to do it, but I can't do it. So, teach me again. What do I have to do?
Like. Like, I don't know how to explain it. You just.
I can't. I don't know how. I don't know how to do it. Like, what do I work? What?
You
Where?
throw. You kind of like.
Dude, that's so cool. I can't do that. Look at my big old ears. Oh my god. And I look like Dumbo. What's it called?
Dumbo?
I just said Dumbo. Gremlin. Fucking gremlin. I've been trying for the past 20 minutes. And that's a lie. I really haven't. I've been trying for like the past 10 seconds. And it really won't come out. I don't really know how to do this. It's just like I'm really trying so hard that it's really not coming out. Like, I'm forcing myself to force it out, and I just can't do it. I really can't. I really just want to challenge me on to see who could burp louder, but I honestly can't, and I'll lose because that's the loudest I could go. Like, that's it. Like, I can't go any louder. Like, go. You have this shit. Okay, go. Just go. That's so cool! I can't do that, dude. I'm so jealous. Honestly, I'm really jealous of you right now. Oh shit!
Oh man, that was totally wicked!
Muerde así, vos, y todo. No, we're not. Careful, Anthony's right there.
Say what's up to him.
Yeah, say what's up to Anthony.
What's up, nigga? Damn.
What's up, Anthony?
Bro? How's acting going?
Oh, yeah.
He's probably gonna see this shit.
It's alright.
Okay, so for those of you guys who saw my last video about Kevin getting all tatted up, that was supposed to be on our different channel, on our friend's channel. And technically it hasn't been uploaded because we haven't actually edited the video yet. So right now that's the reason why I was at Kevin's house, because we were supposed to edit it, which is what Kevin's gonna do. So by the time I post this video up, most likely that video is already gonna be up on that channel. So if you guys want to go check it out, the full video will be up up on that channel. I'm sorry, I'm kind of sick, my throat's kind of hurting. And I'll post a link down below so that you guys could actually go subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff onto that channel, and well, you know, watch the video because that's where it's gonna be at. So just go check it out. This is how we order when we come to freaking Starbucks. She drives. Whoa, you just hit the curb.
No, I
And
didn't.
I'm right here laying down, just chilling, relaxing. You know what I'm saying? I mean, this is what you gotta do. This is life. I mean, when you got a girlfriend, I mean, if she's here, I mean, why not use her for a good use? I mean, you know, sometimes you feel you're tired and stuff, and you just don't want to drive anymore. So you're like, you know, let's go to Starbucks and have you drive. Like, yeah.
Next.
That's how you gotta do it. What's up? Yeah, high five, high five. That's right. I'm already home. It's late now. I'm tired. Well, until next time, hope you guys enjoy the video. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Share it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And well, until next time, I'm out. Peace.
Write anything you want on me. Anything.
Hey, is the back still full?